All right, Russ Sanders of JOMA Construction. What do you do when things go wrong?
Well, the first thing we do is assess the situation and figure out the right people to get things fixed, and just the quickest way that we can attend to it, and the right way to go about it.
Yeah, I usually see on CoConstruct, our online portal, that you usually take a picture of the issue, say something broke or maybe something's the wrong color, and you report that to the customer. Is that all about transparency?
Absolutely. The key to getting anything fixed up is communication and just addressing the problem right there from the start, not trying to hold anything back, and yeah, just being open and honest about it. And CoConstruct's a great way to do that. And
who pays for it?
We factor these things in. We understand that things are going to happen, unfortunately, and just try to limit those things from happening. But when they do occur, we take care of them.
What's an example? What's happened maybe recently that would be disappointing to a customer?
Recently, we had a flooring job going on where it was a pretty simple: pull a refrigerator out, put flooring in, move it back in. Well, when we went to reinstall the refrigerator, the valve for the ice maker broke off and spewed water into the kitchen on freshly laid floors. It was unfortunate, but nobody could have seen it coming. There was no fault of anybody in it. It's just one of those things that happens.
Awesome. Well, I'm glad you were there to help take care of it. Thank you for watching JOMA Asks JOMA. Go online right now to download the top 5 questions where I've already answered the 5 biggest questions customers have already asked. Thank you a lot, Russ.
Yes, sir.
Have a wonderful day. It's very chaotic. Let's stay in front of the camera for a second.